everybody, it's the Midnight Round, and today we are going to do another makeup try on. If you've recently watched two of the other videos that I did for this, this is the Technic's lip kit. We've currently done two different kits so far. We've done the browns and nudes, and we've also done the pinks and reds. And this kit happens to be a kind of purpley pinks. So we've got like pink in this end, we've got a brown, and then this end we've got kind of reddy purples. So we've got like a mixture, and then we do have one other palette which will feature in another video, which is the red palette. So that one is still to come. So if you're all wondering, this kit was $1.69 and it came from an eBay seller, which is a really good value for a lip kit. It does come with one brush, but we won't be using that brush. We will be using these testers that I got off eBay, so I don't have to sit here and wash and clean the brush every time. If you want to check out the previous two videos, I will link my makeup swatching / trying on playlist so that you can have a look at that. People have been wanting to see Midnight recently because he's been off sleeping and eating and doing all a manner of other things. So you've been wanting to see Midnight, and here he is. Middy! Say hello to the people in YouTube land. Midnight! As you can see, he's very busy, you know, busy schedule, licking, sleeping. Middy! Hey, Midnight, you gonna say hello? As you can see, he's very interactive with YouTube. We'll try again at the end. People have been wanting to see him. I do mention him quite a lot, and he just pop his head up in little videos sometimes. So we're going to try this palette, and we're going to do as we always do, and we're going to start from the light end down here, and we're going to work our way up to the darker end. And if you like the colours, you can comment down below whether you like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. I'm basically trying out all these makeups to try and find colours that suit my face and everything, because I don't usually wear makeup, but I find that it's fun to try makeup, see what suits you. So we're going to try this light one. If you're wondering about the light, I actually do have my lighted, illuminated mirror to help me. The lighting in here isn't very good, but I'm hoping it's going to come off alright. So we're going to try the light one first, which kind of looks like a brown. It's like a brown nude. Ooh, it's like a cream colour. I don't know if you can see it very well yet, but it's coming off as this kind of nude colour, like a nudie pink. You have to excuse me, I'm not the quickest in the world when it comes to lipstick with a brush. I do find lipstick with an actual lipstick better, but these are quite cheap, so I wanted to try and see whether the value was there. So this is the pink. It's like a light nude pink colour. Don't know how well it's coming out on camera, but it's like a pink colour. It looks alright. I mean, it's a little bit, if I was to put some maybe blush on my face, some colour in my cheeks, you might be able to change the colour a bit, make it so it blends in. So that's not a bad colour. It's not too bad. I could probably wear it, like I said, if I change the colour of my face just slightly. So we will just wash this off. So we'll just wash it off, and then we will try the next. So the colour itself wasn't the worst colour in the world. It wasn't the best colour, but it also wasn't the worst colour. I can quite happily see myself wearing that colour, just a bit maybe different. Next we have a pink. Now if you've watched my channel before, you will know my thoughts on pink. not the best lover of pink, but as I do with all my palettes, I am fair and I do try each of them. So you will find that even if I don't like the colour, I will still try it on. Because you never know if it will suit you until it's actually on your skin. It's hard with the fact that everyone has different skin tones, different blemishes, lip sizes, and just all a manner of different. It's hard to know whether a colour suits just by looking in the actual palette. It's not as easy as it sounds. So, touch up there. So this colour is obviously pink. As you can see, the pink has come out fairly well. I must say it's not a bad pink. It is, for me, it's a bit bright. I mean, I don't know how it's coming off for you, but on the camera for me it's a little bit bright. But it's not bad. I mean, I've never liked pink. You can go back to my school days where I was a goth and, you know, just pink. Pink suits some people and pink suits other people. They just don't suit me. I just have a thing against pink. I don't know where it stems from. It's just the colour as a whole. If someone says to me, "Oh, do you want pink?" and I'm like, pink? Like, seriously? And that's pink anything. Pink covers, pink, you know, just pink. It's a scary colour for me, really. So the next colour we're going to try is this one. This one to me looks like it's a kind of creamy colour. I'm not really sure how to describe it, to be honest. Again, we're going for like a pinky nude colour again, I would say. It's what it's looking to be. So I'm not sure if we will find me anything in this palette, with the fact that most of it is pink. But I do try on every colour to give it a try. So the colour itself is definitely pink. Again, we have another pink. This time it's a little more subtle. This pink's not so in your face, so I mean, you could probably wear it and get away with it. If I chose to wear pink. Let me put the camera down a little bit. I'm not a huge fan of pink, but this colour actually doesn't look too bad on me. I think it kind of suits. It's not got that, like, in your face look to it. It's more subtle, which is what I like. Although saying that, I do wear black lipstick and purple. So, if, you know, something in your face isn't obviously going to be colours like that. But you do get bright purples that can really stand out. So the next colour we're going to try is this one. And I believe this is red. It's going to be like a reddy brown colour. I would say it's a reddy brown. I'm going to get some on. So this one isn't going on as fluid. I did find that in the last palette that the colour in the middle always seemed to suffer. And I'm not sure why. So I do have videos of me doing more of this. Better. because this one's not really going on. This one's taking a lot to get on, and it's actually making more of a mess than it's going on, so I'm going to stop. We'll just give it a little bit of a dry down around the area. So this colour is actually quite nice. If I could get it to go on nice and proper, as you can see, it's kind of breaking up. But the colour did this last time with the two in the middle. They seem to struggle to go on. The colour itself isn't bad. I do like the look. It's like a plum purple. Do you like the colour? I think I like this colour. I could wear this colour and I'd be quite happy with it. It's like a reddy plum. So if I could get the colour to not bleed so much and actually go on my lips, then I like this colour. We'll give this one a thumbs up. Thumbs up for this one. This is the first one I've liked so far that I would actually safely say that I would actually go out and physically wear this colour. Like if I had to go out on a date or I had to go out for a party, I could definitely see myself wearing this colour. So we'll just clean up my face up because it's a bit blotchy. And we will just dry it, and then we will check out the last two colours. So if you like this series, give it a thumbs up, and I will try and get more lip kits or more lipsticks to try. So the next one I'm going to go to try is this one further down, which again looks like it's a reddy colour. So this one seems as an alright colour. It's going on a little bit watery. We'll just clean it up a little. So this one doesn't look bad. The colour itself isn't too in your face. And I think I could get away with wearing it. It's a little bit watery at the minute. But the colour looks alright. It's quite a pleasant colour as well. I have quite a light skin and it's kind of alright. If I was to like darken my skin just a touch, it would show a bit better. And it wouldn't be so like bright. So we'll take this one off. So this one I could go with. That one I could quite happily wear. Just clean this one off. Then we have just one last colour, which I think is a more darker reddy brown. We'll just give it just a pat down. So we have one last colour, and it's this colour down the bottom. As you can see, my palette is looking a bit sorry for itself. And it's literally falling apart. As you will see from this video, I'm not the best person to be putting makeup on. I'm actually quite bad at it. I do prefer an actual lipstick. So we will just touch this up. So the colour itself isn't that bad. The colour itself doesn't look too bad. It's maybe a little bit on the bright side, but I could darken my skin as it's quite pale. Look at me, pale. I look like a ghost. But the colour itself is nice. I actually quite like it. I think I could get used to wearing this. It's a kind of nice colour. So all in all, the cream one wasn't too bad. We could quite happily wear the cream. The pink was a no. The kind of one in the middle was a no. The purple, although it was nice, didn't go on nicely. I don't know why. This colour wasn't very good either. So the one I probably would wear would be this one or the previous one or possibly even the nude. So that was this palette. So it was $1.69 from eBay, although you can buy it from other shops online. It does look a bit of a state now, I must admit. So if you want to like and subscribe to my channel, please do so. Check out my makeup try-ons that I'll have. It will come up in a playlist around a bit here. If you want to like and subscribe and join my ever progressing channel, that would be awesome. Like and subscribe, share it around, and I'll see you very soon for another video. Take care and thanks for watching. Bye.